Hello everyone, my name is Shaun. Today I'm going to be talking about robotics. Okay, first, what does robot stand for? Robot stand for Random Optical Binary Oscillating Technology. Like, if a robot is there, when like a human tells the robot what to do, may do it immediately, and it can also answer most of its questions. Next, what is robotics? Robotics is the intersection of science, engineering, and technology that produces machines called robots that replicate or substitute for human actors. Robots perform basic and repetitive tasks with greater efficiency and accuracy than humans, making them ideal for industries like manufacturing. Next, advantages of robots. Improve safety. Robots can do dangerous jobs instead of humans, such as mining, because when they mine, if like some ground cracks up, it can be brutal. Plus, they can also act as security for our own safety. Next, higher accuracy levels. Robots are programmed to be able to effortlessly and effectively calculate different problems with almost no mistakes. Next, consistency. Consistency. Robots enable us to uniformly create the same thing multiple times and have no difference in anything. Next, Sophia. Sophia is a female social humanoid robot developed in 2016 by the Hong Kong-based company Hanson Robotics. A humanoid robot is a robot reassembling the human body in shape. The design may be for functional purpose such as inserting, interacting with human tools and environments. Sophia, one of our most advanced humanoid robots. Thank you.
Come on, guys. Come on, Shaun. Any questions to Shaun? Do you guys have any questions? No. Thanks, Shaun, for taking your time.